Gonna need some lateral tension on this.
She's smooth, boys.
Welcome back to beautiful Jacksonville, Florida. Actually, this job was done in St. Augustine, Florida, which is just basically due south of Jacksonville. Big fat dent in this fender. Gonna need some lateral tension on this one. So this system is from Metal Medic, and it's called the Beast Bar. So I'm just getting that thing solidified in there with some good high strength hot glue. I'm going for the Dent Slayer King Slayer with an R8R tip from Dentcraft. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and crank down and apply some of that tension on there. And with this, there's the deep part of the dent. So I'm heating up the dent and gonna bulk it out with that R8R tip, cushion tip. And so I'm gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna bulk it out first, then I'm gonna work on smile, keeping the middle heated up, but I can't heat up that whole panel because I have to have that glue staying strong. So I'm really just heating up that middle part where the dent is, trying to keep ambient temperature where the feet are glued. So dialing it in, we're gonna go from a cushion tip down to a fine tip, removing the tension. And those feet were on there so solid that I have to reheat the panel to get it to let loose. And then we're using 91% isopropyl alcohol. There she is, final product. Boy, she is smooth. Customer was pumped.
She's smooth, boys.
Great repair. See y'all next time.